recording started.
You said it started?
Mhm.
Okay. Well, welcome everyone. This is Fireworks in a Jar Lab. This is recommended for ages 7 and up. And this is presented by the NSTA student chapter at UNG. These are the officers here doing this lab with you guys. And we can't wait to do this lab with you guys. I wish we could be face to face, but this is much safer.
So what we'll need for this experiment is just a clear cup, jar, anything that you have, and at least 1 cup of water, and at least 3 tablespoons of oil, and 2 different food coloring. One will do well, but the more colors you have, the brighter and the better the effects will be. So your first step is just to add your cup to your water. And then your second step is to add your oil to your water and to be very careful and make sure that all of your oil has settled to the top. You'll see some bubbles forming, but eventually all of the oil should settle to the top of your jar, like so. And you should see all the oil rise at the very top. Okay, awesome. And then next, you're just going to be adding drops of your food coloring. Make sure not to just spritz all of your food coloring done and do it by drops to get a better visual effect. And again, the more colors you have, the better this will be. And now we just patiently wait as it slowly makes its way down.
Oh, cool. This is already is going.
As you can see, some of the droplets have started to make its way down to the water and spread out.
Mine is being a party pooper. Oh, there she goes.
And if it takes too long, you can actually use a toothpick to poke at the little droplets at the top and they will disperse. And so the way this works is this happens because oil and water do not mix. As we can tell from the beginning, the oil just stood at the top, and this is because oil is less dense than water. Um, and therefore it flows on top of the water in a nice layer. Now the food coloring we use um, was water based and therefore does not mix with the oil. So instead it forms into droplets and sinks through the oil into the water below. And because food coloring has color added to it, it is heavier than water and therefore it sinks to the bottom of the jar, leaving trails of our fireworks essentially.
So yeah, that's our fireworks lab. We hope you had the same cool results that we did. If not, just like she said, get a toothpick and poke at them and they should start exploding and fireworking away. And you can maybe even listen to Katy Perry's firework while you do it. Um, thank you so much again for watching. This slideshow came from SlidesGo and the lab came from this handy dandy website that we have down here. Thanks again for watching and for doing this fun lab with us. Stay healthy and safe.